There are various ways by which you can learn how to code, but the most effective way is by creating projects which helps you to boost your confidence about the concept of programming. In this video, I am going to talk about 5 basic projects which will help you to boost your confidence in basic programming, and you can also show these projects in your resume and your CV. I am Saumya Vatsa, and in this video you are going to learn so much about basic programming. Watch this video till the very end and subscribe to this channel, hit the bell button to get all the videos update. Learning how to code is nightmare for many of us, and this is because हमें पता नहीं कि हम जो कॉन्सेप्ट सीख रहे हैं प्रोग्रामिंग की उसे यूज़ कैसे करेंगे. हमने इफ एल्स सीख लिया, हमने फॉर लूप सीख लिया, व्हाइल लूप सीख लिया, बट उसे यूज़ कैसे करना है. एरेज सीख लिया, लेकिन उसे यूज़ कैसे करना है. सो प्रोजेक्ट बनाना बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट बिकॉज जब तक आप किसी कॉन्सेप्ट को एग्जीक्यूट नहीं करोगे तब तक उसमें आपको कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आएगा. एंड प्रोजेक्ट बनाना इसलिए भी इम्पॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज व्हेन यू मेक समथिंग एंड you share it with your friends, then you get responses from them like कि हाँ भाई तूने अच्छा बनाया, तू यहाँ पे ऐसे कर सकता है, वहाँ पे वो चीज़ कर सकता है. So you start executing all those things also, and you start learning more things, and you go to from basic to intermediate and from intermediate to advanced. So in this video I am going to talk about 5 basic projects which will help you to boost your confidence. So as you can see, this is my laptop screen and this is my GitHub profile. You can follow me on GitHub. The link is of all my personal handles are in the description. You can follow me there to know more about my lifestyle, to know more about me. Okay, so anyways, let's come here. This is my GitHub profile and you can see that I have created over 9 repository here. So we will talk more about these things. So the first project is tip calculator. So what I have done is this. See, in this I have used Python language to create all these things. You can use any language, the concepts are same, but only the syntax are going to differ. In this tip calculator program, I have created a program so you can calculate your tip. Like आप किसी रेस्टोरेंट में गए एंड वहाँ पे आपको को कितना % टिप देना है अपने वेटर को, आप वो डिसाइड कर सकते हो. So here you can see we can go on my main file and this is the whole program. Simple arithmetic concepts are used in this, arithmetic operators are used in this. So I am showing you this code only because you can get help from this. I will link all my repository in my description. Now the second program which I am talking about is Treasure Island game. Now this is a game. You can play this game by going to my Instagram story highlights. I share all my projects over there and you will find all the links over there, and we can go to my main file, and here this is the picture. Don't worry about this, you can copy it from here, search these things on Google, you will easily find this out. And see, here I have used simple if else statement. You can imagine that मैंने एक गेम बनाया है सिर्फ else if statement को यूज़ करते हुए. दिस विल श्योरली हेल्प यू टू बूस्ट योर कॉन्फिडेंस. लाइक आप इस गेम को जब अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करोगे तो सोचो जब उनका रिस्पॉन्स आएगा आपको कितना अच्छा लगेगा. यू कैन ऐड वेरियस थिंग्स इन दिस गेम. दिस इज द जस्ट द बेसिक वर्जन and you can add things according to your own need. Now the third game is rock paper scissors. Now you can imagine that the game which we played in our childhood, I have made this game using Python. You can see, you can go to this main.py. Here you can also see that I have used nested else if and only else if condition to create this whole game. Now see हाउ मच इंटरेस्टिंग इज दिस. अब मैंने कोई भी ज़्यादा बड़ा कॉन्सेप्ट यूज़ नहीं किया, सिर्फ सिंपल इफ एल्स को यूज़ किया है एंड इस गेम को बनाया है. अगेन यू कैन गो टू माई इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी इफ़ यू वॉन्ट टू प्ले दिस गेम, इफ़ यू वॉन्ट टू सी दैट हाउ इट वर्क्स. ठीक है, द लिंक इज ओवर देयर एंड लिंक ऑफ ऑल माई पर्सनल हैंडल्स आर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन. नाउ द फिफ्थ वन इज माई पासवर्ड जनरेटर. नाउ जनरेटिंग योर ओन पासवर्ड, लाइक हर जगह लोग रिकमेंड करते हैं कि हर साइट पे अलग अलग पासवर्ड डालो, एंड इतना ज़्यादा पासवर्ड बनाना हमारे लिए इतना आसान नहीं होता. So just imagine that you create a program for yourself which generates password for you, and this is the program which I use to generate my passwords. We can go to this main.py and see I have used only random module, randomization in Python. I have used the concept of for loop here to create this program, and you can also do this. Now the fifth one is, this is the most interesting one and this is most complex one till now which I have created. So this is hangman game. This is a game where आपको गेस करना होता है लेटर वर्ड्स का, एंड जब आप सही लेटर सेलेक्ट करते हो तो आपको आप नेक्स्ट लेवल पे जाते हो, एंड अगर आप गलत चूज़ करते हो तो आपका एक लाइफ कम होता है। एंड अगर आपने 3 गलत लेटर को सेलेक्ट किया, गेस किया, I have created 3 Python files, and these are just this is hangman art, this is hangman words which I have used, I have inputted in this program for you to guess. And now let's go to this main.py, and here you can also see that I have used only random modules here, only while loop, if else statement to create this whole game. So you can go and check these things out. So you can see that these are my simple hangman art which I have used in these. You can copy it from here, you can also find it on Google. It is very easy to find out these things. And here are the words which I have inputted in this. See, you can see that how many words I have put it in this thing. So there are approximately 214 inputted in this program for you to guess. So you can see that how much interesting this game. And so you can create these games, you can create these beautiful projects to build your confidence and also your portfolio. So this was it for this video. I hope you gained some value from this one. If you like this one, then please hit the like button, please share this video with your friends and family, and also subscribe to this channel, hit the bell button. I will see you in the next one. Till then, have a good day.